Boys and girls, one of the things that a couple people had trouble with in class was putting something in standard form. So for instance, this equation is a linear equation because you can write it in standard form. Remember, you always have to bring the y over. So if I subtract 3y on both sides, I end up with 2x minus 7y is equal to 0. And now, this is in standard form. Even though it wasn't in standard form in the beginning, if you can turn it into standard form, it is in standard form. Remember, this right here is in standard form. I'm sorry, this is a linear equation because I can turn it into standard form. Be very careful. If you're dividing by a variable, it's not in standard form. But for instance, because this is being divided by 2 and this is being divided by 3, I can easily find a multiple of these two numbers, 6, and that way x over 2 times 6 would be 6 times x, 6x divided by 2, which is 3x. If I multiply this by 6, I'm going to do this up here, you get negative 2/3 times 6, you get negative 12 over 3, which is negative 4y. And then 6 times 4 is 24. So because I was able to multiply everything by a multiple and turn it into, instead of having, divided by a number, I got it so that everything's on the numerator. This, I'm able to write it in standard form. Therefore, yes, this is a linear equation, and this is it in standard form.